Hello everybody, Dragons are Awesome, AJ here, and today I'm going to play Animal Jam. Not play Wild, but I am going to play Animal Jam on Puffin. Yes, and hopefully this looks better than just me holding up my tablet at a screen, but yeah, this is basically now what I'm probably going to use, but I'm still going to play on the computer version. And also, there's new masterpieces that I made. So, yeah. If you want to see them, my den is always unlocked. And you can come to my den. My username is Dragons Are Awesomer. And you can just come into my den and see my very cringy masterpieces. Oh, let's see. It's not really. Okay. So, yeah, also, I didn't tell you guys, but I had an art gallery of all my Cuphead masterpieces. I'm still making it, and still making more masterpieces. Oh, by the way, Party Jammer Bunny made that masterpiece for me. So nice of them. So yeah, shout out to Party Jammer Bunny. Yeah. Oh, I got a Jamagram. Yeah, so, yeah, I'm just gonna take you a little tour around the masterpiece gallery. I'm just gonna use this. It's better. Also, my friend Roadrunner1235 copied my look and made masterpieces for me, which are actually a little cringy, but I appreciate it. And I got another Jag. Okay, sorry guys. Sorry, I had to pause it. I just needed to do something. Oh, look, Birdie Friend is here. Oh yeah, she said, okay, this is Birdie Friend. My friend. She's singing the... Oh god, it's 5 minutes long, XD. God, this is so cringy. My rating is horrible. Just gonna sit here. Oh god, wait, no. Let's see if they put anything new in the stores. Nope. The den items? No. Okay, back. Yeah, and she said hi. Okay, I was making it about my cringy masterpiece. Okay, that means channel. Dragons are awesome. AJ. Okay, I'm gonna try to find Birdie Friend. YouTube. I had to add that L because it won't let me type in just vids. So I just gotta okay, YouTube. Birdie friend AJ. Ah. Ack! Animal Jam. Oops. Animal Jam. No! Ah! Stupid thing. Ah! That's Armored Pup, not Birdie Friend. Jamagram. Oops. Sorry. Be right back, and I need to get a charger. Okay guys, I'm back. I actually paused it for like a long time. And by the way, Birdie Friend, this person over here, has a YouTube channel, and here it is. This is her video, so I recommend you check her out. She almost has 100 subscribers, so yeah, I would. Yeah. You should go check Birdie Friend out, but sadly I can't subscribe because I need to log in with the thing. But yeah. Yeah. But this video has hit the 14-minute mark, so goodbye everyone.